Welcome to Neon Pro Tech channel. This is Prashanth. In this video we delve into the fascinating world of 3D printing technology and explore how it is revolutionizing production processes worldwide. Join us as we unravel the power behind this groundbreaking innovation. Did you know that 3D printing technology is revolutionizing production as we know it? With its incredible capabilities, this innovation is changing the way we design, manufacture, and create. Let's explore the power of 3D printing together. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, 3D printing offers limitless possibilities. From complex models to functional prototypes, this technology allows us to bring our ideas to life with precision and detail that was once unimaginable. Using computer-aided design software, a 3D printer builds objects layer by layer, using a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, and even biocompatible materials. This versatility makes it suitable for a vast array of industries, from aerospace engineering to healthcare. In the medical field, 3D printing enables the creation of customized implants tailored to a patient's unique anatomy. This not only improves patient outcomes but also reduces surgery time and costs. In the automotive industry, 3D printing streamlines the production process, allowing for faster prototyping and the creation of complex parts. This innovation leads to lighter, more sustainable vehicles that consume less energy and reduce emissions. Beyond industries, 3D printing is making a profound impact on people's lives. It provides affordable prosthetics to those in need, transforming the way we assist people with disabilities and enabling them to regain their independence. And it's not just about big industries and medical breakthroughs. 3D printing empowers individuals to unleash their creativity. From personalized jewelry to unique home decor, this technology allows anyone to become a designer and turn their imagination into reality. So as you can see, the power of 3D printing is truly extraordinary. It's changing the face of manufacturing, making it more accessible, efficient, and innovative than ever before. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about groundbreaking technologies.